predisposed to. Kasi utusan sila madali. Kasi pag sinabi mong walang korupsyon. Kaya lang, ang military, just like any organization, pag ang top dyan, general o ang commander-in-chief, kukorrupt yan lahat. Pero kung sabihin mo na matino, they will follow. So Boracay, I sent si Mato. Sabi ko, puntahan mo nga doon. Is John si Mato here? Si Roy? Yeah. Ito si Roy, nakilala ko to sa Mindanao. Hindi ko man niya kilala, Mindanao. Na-mayor kasi ako 23 years. So all of them passed by Mindanao, kilala ko. Pag inutusan mo, kaagad. And they know that I will not give illegal orders for them to implement. Alam nila, abogado ako. Sabi ko, sundin lang ako ninyo. Kaya I was surprised when I ordered si Mato to go there, to Boracay, Sir Frank. Alam mong ginawa niya? The next day, lumabas siya doon sa Daily Mirror. Naglalakad siya doon sa beach, naka-t-shirt ng blue, at yung mata niya nandoon sa dalawang Caucasian na kadamit sa Mato. Akala ko ba inutusan kita? Yes, ano? O bakit ka nagpalakad-lakad dyan sa beach? Tingnan mo yung nagkabikini na dalawang puti. Sa napadaan lang ako, sir. Kuya, trabahuin mo yan, ha? And they did it in 6 months' time. Of course, with I like si Mato because he mixes pleasure with work. That is the way how to do it. I give you until the last week of the year, yung sa September na, to do this. Clean the LGUs. Walang mangyari dito. We shall continue to invest in the countryside through agricultural programs that will increase the productivity and income of small farmers and fisherfolk. We shall ensure the full implementation of the rice tariffication law, including the Rice Competitiveness Enhancement Fund. This will safeguard the livelihood of small farmers through provisions of modern farm equipment and machinery